Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Behind the Truth. Let's come to the point. Please subscribe, like and share. Today we discuss about one of largest tech company. In the past 23 years, the tech behemoth Google has acquired 240 businesses, and each one of them has altered our lives and the course of history. Every child today is familiar with Google. Every job seeker's desire is to work for Google, to put it simply. Because of this, every year more than 20 lakh people seek for jobs, yet only 0.2% of those applicants are chosen. Because Google has a very distinct and different hiring process. Today, we'll go into great detail on how to land a job at Google. On the basis of strong abilities and experience, is it possible to work at Google without a degree? If you can, how do you do it? Given that Google doesn't adhere to any standards, you might be shocked to learn that their logo doesn't follow any patterns. Google doesn't adhere to any recruitment guidelines, not even when employing the same candidate. Every person is given importance as a result. Because of this, Google employees are totally distinct from those of other businesses. They exercise original thought. They are incredibly imaginative and self-assured. The hiring team at Google favors unconventional and creative workers. Google is the greatest firm for you if you're seeking for a place that values your enthusiasm, curiosity, and willingness to learn. Google really is wonderful. The workplace culture is excellent. You receive a fantastic pay, assistance with furthering your education, unrestricted free food, hobbies, a comfortable home with a pool, employee death benefits, a 12-week paid leave, and other perks. Because of this, the employee's level of happiness and job satisfaction is exceptionally high. Google is regarded as one of the top workplaces in America, claims Business Insider. There aren't any other businesses around. So let's find out how to apply, what happens throughout the recruiting process, and what other amenities are offered in addition to pay at Google. So without any further delay, let's get started. Google ranks second in the list of the world's largest tech companies. It has 4.39 billion users worldwide. Google had estimated unique visitors of 3.5 billion in the US, which can be estimated by its popularity. Gmail, YouTube, Google Map, Google Play Store, Chrome are all part of Google. Google buys new companies every year. According to a report, Google has bought 240 companies in the last 23 years. Alphabet is Google's parent holding company. Google's head office is in California, United States. Apart from this, its branches are open in all major countries. Before we find out how to get a job in Google, let's find out what other facilities Google provides apart from salary. So let's find out 10 such facilities that will motivate you to work in Google. 1. Free gym classes. Google not only pays attention to your work, but also to your employees' health. 2. Relax house. You get a relax house and garden facility in Google. 3. Swimming pool. You can also enjoy a swimming pool here. 4. Great culture. You get a great environment while working in Google. You won't feel like you're working in a company. That's why gym facilities are also available here. 5. Unlimited free food. Here, you get a free food facility 3 times a day. 6. Online Google Jobs. This is a great facility. If you want to work from home, Google provides that facility. Today, 20% of Google employees work from home. 7. On-site medical staff. If you fall sick or get injured, the best medical staff is available to help you. You can also book your appointment separately. 8. Death benefit. This facility is not given in any government job apart from the Indian Army. If a Google employee dies, Google pays 50% of his family's salary for the next 10 years. If he also dies, his children are given $1,000 till the age of 19 and free education till the age of 23. 9. Paternity and maternity. Imagine that your company gives you a 5 to 10 week leave and you also get a salary. Isn't it a great life? This is what Google does. 10. Google gives you a 7-week paternity leave and also a 12-week maternity leave. One more interesting thing is that if an employee has a child, Google gives him a cash gift. 10. Hobbies. Google believes that employees should enjoy their hobbies. If their life is balanced, they can enjoy their work even more. Friends, these were some benefits of working in Google. But you will get these benefits only when you work in Google. Google mainly offers jobs in these 3 domains. Engineering has technical roles like software engineering, STA engineering, application development, product management, etc. Business has non-technical jobs like quantitative business analysis, business operations management, sales strategy, etc. Design has UI UX designer, UX writer, visual designer, UX researcher, etc. These were some examples. You can check all the job openings in Google on careers.google.com. As you can see, I am on the home page of careers.google.com. There is a job button here. As soon as you click on it, all the job openings will appear in front of you. Here you can search for a job according to your skill and qualification. Every job has required qualification skills. You can apply for these jobs online. The first job opening is Strategic Cloud Engineer. It clearly states bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics, or equivalent practical experience. If you don't have a college degree but have the right professional skill and experience, you can get the job. You can see or equivalent practical experience. This line is written in every job. If you don't have deep knowledge in a specific field, but have basic knowledge and skills in different fields, then this type of people are called T-shaped person by Google. And hiring managers of Google are very interested in such people because they feel such people are curious to do new things and are experts in thinking out of the box. If you are looking for a place that gives importance to your curiosity, passion, and desire to learn, then Google is the best company for you. So whether you have studied from Harvard University or 12th pass, if you have the right professional skill and experience, then you are eligible for a job in Google. You must have read many such news articles which say now this is about qualification and we know how to apply and what is the right way to apply. Google hires employees in these 4 ways. We already know about this. You can apply from the direct online Google career website. This is a very simple way. Just go to careers.google.com/jobs and put your field, location, skill, and experience in the job filter. Then Google will filter any opening that is suitable for you and put it in front of you. And you will be able to apply from there. Keep one thing in mind. Your resume should be good, in which you should define everything like qualification, hobbies, skills, and experience. And apply only for the position which fits your resume and qualifications. Because once you are rejected, you can apply again after 90 days. Your interview will be according to your resume. So don't write any skill about which you have little or no knowledge. After selecting your resume, there are 3 phases which you have to go through. And in the last, there is an in-depth interview. If your resume is selected, then your first is online assessments, in which you have a coding quiz. Along with this, many other questions can be asked. If you qualify for this, then there is a short virtual chat in which you can talk on the phone or video call. And in the third phase, there is a project work. Before an in-depth interview, you are given a small project. But there is no need to worry. Because this is just to know your thinking. Because they have to know how you think. And how you solve problems. Just remember to complete the project in the simplest code. In the end, there is an in-depth interview. This interview can be done offline or online. It is obvious that if you are in a Google interview, then don't expect small questions. You will be asked a lot of different questions. During the interview, your knowledge and skills will be tested. You can be asked more puzzle-type questions. This interview will decide whether you should be given a job or not. After giving the interview, you just have to wait for the result. Remember one thing. If you get rejected, Then you can apply again after 90 days. And yes, if you have 12 to 18 months of work experience, then definitely write it in the resume. You can apply for 3 jobs in 30 days. But I would say, only apply for those posts in which you have confidence and knowledge. The second method is employee referrals. If your friend works in Google, or you can connect with Google employees through LinkedIn and request them, they can send your application to the hiring manager. They can organize your interview. The third method is campus placements. Google visits selected colleges and universities for campus placements every year. Google organizes quick start coding contest for programmers in Asia-Pacific countries. So if you know coding, then you can register in this competition. The top competitors get a chance to interview for technical job posts in Google. Then you can get a job in Google through this. Salary. Now if you are thinking about salary, then don't worry about it at all. Because here you will get more than you expect. Salary and facilities too. You just have to prepare to crack the interview. Google will fulfill all your dreams. By the way, for your information, Google employees' average salary is 1.5 crore per annum. And if you want to watch the life at Google video or want to know more about the hiring process, then watch this video made by Google, How We Hire at Google. So friends, how did you like this video? I hope you got to learn something new from this video. Let's meet again very soon with a new useful and informative video. Please subscribe, like and share. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.